my God, no toilet paper again?
Have you ever thought of owning a bidet? I found this one for under $90 at Home Depot. I thought it would help to save on toilet paper. This one had very clear instructions and part list. Don't let it intimidate you. This was also a warm and cold water wash. The first thing you want to do is take off the toilet seat and then clean up the area. Turn off the water to the tank and then turn off the hot water to the bathroom sink.
So there and there.
This is adjustable to fit on most toilets. Pop it back on. I used the drill, but you'll always want to hand tighten at the end. Once both sides are on, we can connect the bidet. Disconnect the water line to the tank so we can add this connector. After the connector is in place, we can attach the water line to the bidet. Then connect the same line to the bidet. Then I disconnected the water line to the sink. The hose wasn't flexible, so I had to purchase a flexible hose to reattach. Added the connector, attached the flexible hose that I purchased for under $10 at the hardware store. Then I had to drill a hole into the cabinet in order to connect the hot water to the bidet. Feed the hot water tube hose through the cabinet and attached it to the connector on the hot water under the sink. Then I attached it to the bidet. Turned all the water on, and this is the final result. This one functions pretty good. Nice! Thanks for watching.